Hey folks, Dave Lowe here with ISI Federal, and I am here today because FBO is gone. It is now Beta.Sam.Gov, and it is creating some confusion out in the marketplace. And while it is a good Monday since the Ravens did win yesterday, our 6th in a row, just saying, awesome time. However, what we're here to do is review the new system. And if you go to Beta.Sam.Gov, you're going to find that there's a whole bunch of information here. But what replaces FBO.gov is this contract opportunities button right here. So if you take a look here and you say, hey, I'd like to know about facilities management, for instance, you can go here and you can see that there are 16,371 results. But we find out that this relevance is really kind of funky because it really isn't relevant at all, because this happened to be done in February 12th, 2016. So that's not going to help us very much. But what we can do is a quick and dirty search, is do a last updated date, and it automatically goes to descending, and we see this is today. This was just posted today. So this is keywords here that are associated. You can also, if you get rid of this, you'll see that there's 96,359 results as of right now for active only. But as I said before, that isn't necessarily relevant because some of those go back a decade or so. But we can also scroll down here and we can use these for NAICS lookup. So if we do facilities NAICS lookup, for instance, 561210, and we click on this, it automatically updates. Now, sometimes, because there is no search button anywhere on this page, sometimes you're going to have to do the enter button in order to get it to work. Just letting you know that. So we also have these, and we can take a look at last updated date, and that shows up. But the interesting thing is you can only see 1 through 10 of whatever the results are. There's no way to see all of them. And there's no way to export the data. That's two things that we know so far. But if we dive down into one of these and say, okay, let's take a look at what it looks like, we can see this looks very similar to FBO, maybe a little sexier, but very similar to FBO. And as a result, we can scroll all the way down and we can download the attachments and the links associated. We scroll all the way down, and there's a lot of information associated with this particular opportunity. And then we also have our contact information at the bottom for being able to reach out to the contracting officers. So that is kind of the overview of how you can find things within Beta.Sam.Gov when you're looking for opportunities. Now, you can also restrict your responses by multiple dates. I don't really understand why you would do it by an inactive date, but whatever, they gave it to us. The published date is when it actually hits FBO, Beta.Sam.Gov, and the next one is the updated date. So you need to be paying attention to both of these if you're doing your searches and logging in for things that have happened today. If we do today, now here's another thing. There is no calendar to just pick a date. You have to type in this, and then you have to do it again. 2019, and bam. Now we can hit this little filter button, and it updates our filter to the ones that hit today. So that should give you an idea of kind of how it works. It is a little kludgy, and what we're all hoping is that, hey, this is a Beta.Sam.Gov, and this is not what Sam.Gov is actually going to turn out being. So if you know anything about me, you know that for me, FBO, it's too late by the time it hits there anyway. We do want to monitor FBO, but we want to use that information to create intelligence. And I want to point you to ISI Federal Market Essentials Intelligence, the best data and marketable, actionable intelligence that you can find in the federal space to find opportunities that never hit FBO or now Beta.Sam.Gov. You can gain information right here at isifederal.com and see an overview of the market intelligence. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this review, and if you need any additional information, please reach out to me. dlow@isifederal.com is my direct email address, or give us a call at 888-9-GET-ISI. Love to work with you.